Suprabhatam. Let's start today's Maitri Milan session with 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale. Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. शांति। योग गणपति मूल मंत्र। ओम हम सं गं भगवते नित्य योग युक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः। श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना। नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे। Samarasya prayer for harmony from Rigveda. Om Sangachadvam Samvadadvam Sambho Manamsi Janatam Deva Bhavai Yatha Purve Sanjanana Upasate Samano Mantra Samitis Samani Samanam Manasah Chittamesham Samanam Mantram Abhimantrayevaha Samanena Vohavisha Juhomi Samani Vaakutihi Samana Hridayani Vaha Samanamastu Manaha Yatha Vastu Sahasati. Panchangam. Adyatana Panchangam. सप्तविंशत्यधिक एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं हेमंत ऋतुः माघमासः कृष्णपक्षः षष्ठी तिथिः चित्रा नक्षत्रं शूलयोगः गरजकरणं स्थिरवासरः. Today's date 7th February 2026 Saturday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनम् नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणम् करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमम्. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
Suprabhatam. We will continue the Bhagavad Gita chanting session. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapi haloke Hatvarthakamanstu guruni haiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan Now we will chant individual lines twice. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapi haloke Now the second one. Hatvarthakamanstu guruni haiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan Hatvarthakamanstu guruni haiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Now the entire shloka together twice. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapi haloke Hatvarthakamanstu guruni haiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapi haloke Hatvarthakamanstu guruni haiva Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Very nice. Now we will see the meanings. First of all, the word split. Gurun ahatva hi mahanubhavan Shreyah bhoktum bhaikshyam api iha loke hatva arthakaman tu gurun iha eva bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. This is the entire word split. To understand the word meaning, we will go one by one first of all, and then we will see the specialities of this shloka. In the previous shloka, Arjuna said, Katham bhishmamaham sankhye dronam cha madhusudana ishubhih pratiyotsami ujarha varisudana. Oh, my dear Krishna, these are Drona and my acharyas, my Bhishma. See, Bhishma is my Pitamaha, Drona is my acharya. These are Adharaniyas, Pujarhas, Pujarha Varisudana. Pujarha means they are revered. They are to be prostrated by me. I have to do pranams to them every day. They are Pratasmaraniya. How should I fight with them? Now he says, Guru Nahatva. If at all I start fighting and I kill my own gurus, my own teacher, what will happen? Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyam apiha loke. Better than that is bhikshatana. bhikshavritti, bhaikshyam, the word is used there. Bhaikshyam means bhikshavritti, to live and to eat food. Bhoktum, bhaikshyam is shreyaha. See, there is something called shreyas and preyas. Shreyas is whatever path leads to felicity. That is called shreyas marga, the ucha marga, the higher marga, the higher path. One more marga is preyas marga. Preyas is immediate gratification. If we get immediate joy by doing something, very instant joy, like instant noodles, that is a preyas marga. But eating sattvic food, arogya diet, that is shreyas marga, the uttama marga. So he says, bhaikshyam, bhikshatana, for my living, bhaikshyam is shreyas than performing my kshatra dharma. See, what is kshatra dharma? He is to fight in the war and win the war. That is his kshatra dharma. So even better than his swadharma is bhikshatana, is what Arjuna is telling. Then what does he say? Hatva arthakamanstu guruni haiva. See, now whatever we are fighting, what is this for? Is it all for only artha and kama? What is artha? Is some lalasa, some ichha of land, some ichha of wealth, artha, and kama, to fulfill our desires. What are we going to do? See, the last word is very important. Bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. It is a blood-stained bhoga. Means what? Whatever victory that we are getting after killing my own kith and kin, how can you enjoy that? Just for artha and kama you are about to fight? It is a very sinful act, is what Arjuna is telling. And that is why he says, bhaikshyam, that is bhikshatana, is shreya, is the superior marga, is what he says. Now this is the overall meaning. One very interesting fact I will tell you. See, till now we have seen all the shlokas of 32 syllables in Anushtup meter. In Sanskrit, any shloka has some kind of a rhythm to it, right? The first shloka of Bhagavad Gita is in Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre Samavetaya Yutsavaha. See, Dharma Kshetre Kurukshetre, 8 syllables. Samavetaya Yutsavaha, again 8. Mamakah Pandavaschaiva, 8. Kimakurvata Sanjaya, again 8. See, it is 8 into 4. Such pattern in Sanskrit is called Anushtup meter, Chandas. The gati, the rhythm is Anushtup. This is a totally different meter. Can you try to count? We'll count together, okay? You just count with your hands, fingers. Now we'll chant once. I will do. You can listen. Guru nahatva hi mahanubhavan. How many? 11. Shreyo bhoktum bhaikshyamapi haloke. How many? 11. Even next. Hatvartha kamanstu guruni haiva. See, 11. Bhunjiya bhogan rudhira pradigdhan. Again 11. See, 11 into 4. This kind of a chandas, a meter, is Trishtup meter. So there are many meters, 32 letters, 36 letters, 40 letters, 44 letters. This is a 44 letter chandas. So such nuggets you can find in all the Samskrita Subhashitas, Shlokas, and that is why you have to learn and you have to develop an interest to learn in the rhythm. See, this rhythm is different from the previous rhythm, right? So that you have to enjoy that rhythm and learn more about it. Okay, thank you so much. Hari.
Shanti mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve